This is Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut. So, quick introduction. This patient I'm about to show you is a 30-year-old man. His name is Tim. He had a lot of hair loss in the front, really high corners, so to speak. He would be a Norwood 4A. And he had been on medication for some time to maintain his existing hair, which is something I encourage all my patients to do. And as expected, his hair stabilized. He got a little stronger in the back, but the hairline didn't get lower. He was a good candidate for an anterior and middle hair replacement, and it worked out great. He did one procedure. He's on medications to support what he has. He keeps his hair a little bit longer, so we did an FUT procedure, and you can take a look at 1 year out. He's had great growth. He's really feeling much more confident. And he's also in the public eye, makes a lot of presentations and just doesn't feel self-conscious about this at all. So thank you very much for tuning in. It's Dr. Boden, Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut.